Video Storytelling Creative Excellence Class Review. Hello, my name is Bogdan. I am the owner of the website Bogdantheone.com. To get the course called Video Storytelling Creative Excellence Class, all you have to do is to visit our site Bogdantheone.com, and here you will find the article called Video Storytelling Creative Excellence Class Review. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in the description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Video Storytelling Creative Excellence Class. Do you want to be a filmmaker? Most video courses focus on teaching how to get better footage, and that's a good step. But this course will do far more. I will teach you how to weave great footage into an even greater story, regardless of how mundane or ordinary topic may be. I am a TV producer, director and editor. My shows have been on major networks in many countries. I have been doing this for 38 years, and no matter where your videos will be displayed, you need to know the content of this course. Most of it you will not find in any course, mainly because I think most video instructors don't appreciate just how important it is. So I wish to entertain an audience, which means to have them enjoy your videos and look forward to more. Good storytelling is the key. The best footage in the world is just not enough unless it's crafted into a tight and engaging story. And capturing footage suitable for telling a story is what you will learn here. It begins before the shot, continues during the shot, and on, well, into the editing room. Let's begin. You will learn these things: different cameras and what makes them different. Good videography is less about fancy expensive equipment and more about telling a story. How to determine what kind of videos you want to make and what equipment is indeed. Camera equipment is the great temptation. How to avoid spending on things that are promoted as needed when all you do is briefly satisfy the ego. How to shoot a scene to tell a story. Shooting is not about getting great footage. It's about capturing elements to tell a story during the shots. Learn the mind space you should use to tell a story as its begin shot. This is necessary because creating a story after the footage is shot sets one up for failure in the edit. Why should shooting and editing not be regarded as separate processes? Pans, zooms, top shots, eyelines, white balance, B-roll, and more. Not only how to get them right, but why they work in a story. Your footage will look like a pro shooted, and when you begin your edit, you will love me for it. For example, I will not only tell you what a pen is, how to shoot a smooth one, but more. Importantly, why should a pen work in a story? Nobody ever teach this stuff. Mirror footage techniques for extreme efficiency in footage gathering. Audio techniques for extreme efficiency in audio content gathering. Editing software choices and links to free edit software that is surprising, absolutely brilliant. It's also free and I still use it. Wow! Editing techniques. I will teach you some simple rules that will turn your audience heads. Editing can be intimidating because in many ways is the most difficult part, but it's actually quite easy as long as the footage gathered is done with the story in mind. I will teach you how this is done. How to avoid amateur traps. The shooting and editing techniques that might look cool but actually shoot beginner here. Look like a pro from the start. Music and how to find its right and use it properly. And a lot more. I will add a new lesson to the course. I will review this course, Video Storytelling Creative Excellence class, with 5 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day. Bye.